Have you ever seen a creature that looks like a mix between a scorpion and a spider, but isn't quite either? Meet the Vinegaroon, also known as the whip scorpion. Despite its terrifying look, it's harmless to humans. But don't get too close. When threatened, it sprays acid. Hence the name Vinegaroon. It uses its long, whip-like tail to sense vibrations in total darkness, and powerful pincers to crush insects, worms, and even small frogs. They live mostly in the deserts of the southern United States and Mexico, hiding underground during the day and hunting at night. So here's the question. Would you dare to hold one of these in your hand?